Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Since the working principles of all devices are the same, if you write your problems and thoughts about all brands and models in the comments, we will solve the problem immediately. Our devices may sometimes lock, may not turn on, may not charge. In this case, the solution may be very simple. The brand of our watch can be Apple Watch, Haylou, Mi Band, Mi, Honor, Huawei, Amazfit or other brands and replica products. This is a valid repair for all. You can complete your repair process by following the steps I have done and doing the same.
We will repair this fault free of charge without the cost of parts. How? Let's watch together.
We are trying to charge our watch from the USB output of our computer as usual, and the result is unsuccessful on the first try, as you can see.
Please write your watch brand, model and amperage value of your adapter in the comments. In this video, we will see how to perform a hard reset process that will solve many malfunctions and errors on the device. Our channel is a repair channel. If you write the problem of your faulty electronic devices in the comments, I can show you the most affordable solution as soon as possible. We try to open our watch again, but we couldn't. We try other methods. If you are watching this video, it means that the video has been successful and our time has worked. If our many attempts are not successful, we delete them. If they are successful, we upload them to YouTube for you to watch. Now we are trying the USB output of the charger located in our surge protector socket, which is approximately 1200 milliamps. Now we must try again by pressing the button of our device. Let's see if the reset process is successful. Did it solve the problem? If your problem is not solved, you can write the methods in the comments. Now we will try again with 1500 amp phone adapter. Yes, friends, computer 1000 amp charger, 1500 amp charger. We will try with our quick charge, and the next step will surprise you.
We connect our cable and try again. Let's see how the result will be. We will try with different 5-volt outputs, but our amperage value will vary.
All of our expert staff are waiting for your questions about your tablet, phone, computer and all your electronic devices and are looking forward to answering them. Unfortunately, many repairmen do not share this information with you. Since our videos are step-by-step troubleshooting videos, I will add my other step-by-step method videos to the explanation and to the end of the video. You should also apply them. Now we will try to shock our battery with a 120 watt very powerful charger belonging to our phone. Let's see if we can get results in this experiment. Dear spectators, friends, this video is the first stage repair video. This video will repair our device with 20% probability.
There is already a small adapter in the USB part of the charging cable of our device. This part protects our clock from high amperage and voltage values. But it's time to do the experiment that we have had results before. As a very simple process, you can easily solve your problem by following what I did step by step. Instead of charging from the computer USB output, we will use a high amp phone adapter to shock our battery. It is not a very recommended thing, but I would like to try it instead of throwing my watch in the trash. Yes friends, the good news is, as you can see, the process we applied was successful and our device turned on. If this video doesn't help you fix your watch, watch our step 2 and step 3 videos. I look forward to your questions in the comments. Friends who did not get results from this video, I will add the second stage video link to the explanation section. If you apply our second stage video, it will repair your device with a 30% probability. You should also see the positive comments in our other videos. In all of our repair processes, we repaired our device very easily and cost-free, and you can fix your faults by following the steps I have done. Now that the shock is done, our device starts to work without any problems, no matter what adapter we charge it with and what amperage value. In this video, we will see how to perform a hard reset process that will solve many malfunctions and errors on the device. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share our video with your friends that you want to benefit from. If you write your questions and opinions in the comments, your other brand, model, printer, computer, scanner problems, I will reply as soon as possible for the solution. Thanks.